Hello everyone. Let us start our day with one inspirational quote. Make each day your masterpiece. I repeat, make each day your masterpiece. So, dear children, don't lose the hope. Try every day and make your today better than yesterday. Then only you can witness a bright future. 1. So now today we will see next question. An amount of 260 rupees, 260 rupees each was collected from 50 students for a picnic. If 11,450 rupees were spent for the picnic, what is the amount left over? So, what all are the numbers given in the question? What is these rupees 260? Was collected from 50 students, so rupees 260 were collected from each student, so money collected from each child is rupees 260. What is next number 50? What is this? Number of students. So write down number of students is equals to 50. If 11,450 rupees were spent for the picnic, so what is this number? This is the amount spent for the picnic. Write down it. Now next, what they want from us to calculate? So rupees 260 from one student. Rupees 260 from one student or one child. Then from 50 from 50 children, how many or how much amount will be collected? That you need to find out first, right? So total amount collected comes in the to find out part. Next, if 11,450 rupees were spent for the picnic, okay, now see, they will have some amount collected with them, and from that amount one part of the amount will be spent for the picnic. So how much is remained? So for such type of questions, what we need to do, we need to do subtraction. हमारे पास 10 मैंगोज है, 10 मैंगोज में से किसी ने 5 मैंगोज खा लिए, तो कितने मैंगोज बचे? फॉर सच टाइप ऑफ ऑपरेशन व्हाट we do subtraction. Okay, so second operation is subtraction. So let us see. So in method 1 we will first see how many rupees were collected from total 50 students, right? So 260 into 50. We start multiplication from right hand side. First digit of my right hand side is 0. If I multiply 0 by each digit, we get only 0. Next number is 5, in that is in the tens place. Okay, so start multiplying this 5 with the 260. So let us start with the first digit in the units place. 5 zeros are 0. Now you already know that when we multiply the digits in the tens place or hundreds place, or so whatever a digit it is, we start writing its answer from that place only, and before that we write 0. So I will start writing its answer from tens place, and before that I will put 0. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30, 30 ka 0, 3 will be carry, put carry on the finger. 5 2 are 10 and 3, 10 plus 3 13. So what is my answer? 0 plus 13,000 will be 13,000. So therefore amount collected for the picnic is rupees 13,000. Okay. Now we will see from this 13,000 only 11,450 rupees were spent. Okay, right? So how much amount will be left over? For this what I need to do? I will subtract the amount spent from the total amount, right? So amount left over is equals to total amount collected minus amount spent, right? So what is total amount collected? That is 13,000. And what is amount spent? It is 11,450. So if I subtract them, I will get the answer, that is amount left over. That I will do in the method 2. So 0 minus 0, first step is to arrange the numbers properly in a box, right? You already know that. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 5 not possible. So ask for a borrow. Now this 0 is also don't have anything, so he will ask borrow to the next place, that is 3. So now this 30 will give borrow to this place, and hence this 30 will become 29, right? This 30 ये तो पूरा 2 डिजिट मिलके इसको बोरो देगा. So 30 minus 1 will be 29, and this 1 will become 10, right? So 10 minus 5 will be 5. 9 minus 4 will be 5, 2 minus 1 will be 1 and 1 minus 1 will be 0. So my answer is 1550, right? Therefore the amount left over is rupees 1550. A shopkeeper bought a sack of 50 kg of sugar for 1750 rupees. As the price of sugar fell, he had to sell it at the rate of 32 rupees per kilo. How much less money did he get than he had spent? Listen to the question. First, we will see what all the numbers are given in the question. A shopkeeper bought a sack of 50 kg of sugar for rupees 1750. So I will write down that cost of 50 kg sugar is rupees 1750. Next number is 32. What is this? This is the selling price of the sugar. उसने क्या किया है, 50 किलो का एक सैक लिया है. ये कितने रुपीज में लिया है? 1750 रुपीज में लिया है. Next he get to know that the sugar price has fell down, so he has to sell them at 32 rupees per kg, right? So यहाँ पे 32 kgs और 50 kg है ये, right? So हमें पहले देखना पड़ेगा कि 50 kg का 32 रुपीज के अकॉर्डिंगली कितनी प्राइस जमा होती है, right? So how much amount will be collected for rupees 32 per kg, right? So selling price of 1 kg sugar is rupees 32. You can also write one more given, that is weight of sugar, that is 50 kg, but we don't need it, so I haven't wrote it. हमें इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है इसलिए मैंने उसे लिखा नहीं है. आपको अगर चाहिए तो आप लिख सकते हो, बट उससे कोई मीनिंग नहीं जमा होगा, इसलिए मैंने लिखा नहीं है. Next, to find out first what we need to do, a selling price of 50 kg sugar, right? Now see, selling price of 1 kg sugar is rupees 32. सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ 50 kg शुगर हमें निकालने. सो 50 kg शुगर, 1 kg का 32, सो 50 kg का कितना? ओके, फ्रॉम 1 to many we do multiplication, right? So first operation will be multiplication, and the selling price of 50 kg sugar, first we need to find out. That's why for that I need to do operation multiplication. Next, what he need to do? How much less money did he get than he had spent? उसने खरीदा 50 kg 1750 के रेट से, उसके बाद उसने बेचा उसको 32 रुपीज़ पर केजी. उससे उसको कितनी अमाउंट मिली, और वो अमाउंट और ये जो अमाउंट है ये दोनों छोटी है या बड़ी है, कंपेयर करना है. नेक्स्ट वी नीड टू गो नो दैट कि उसको लॉस हुआ है या प्रॉफिट हुआ है, राइट? सो फॉर दैट आई नीड टू डू सब्ट्रैक्शन और कंपैरिजन. फर्स्ट कंपेयर करेंगे देन सब्ट्रैक्शन करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो लेस अमाउंट शॉपकीपर गॉट, राइट? So for this I need to do subtraction. So in method 1 I will first multiply. 32 is the cost of 1 kg of sugar and 50 is the weight of the sugar. So 0, multiplying 0 with any digit will be 0. Next comes 5. So 5 2s are 10. 1 will be carry. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. So 1600. So therefore the selling price of 50 kg sugar is rupees 1600. Now less money shopkeeper has got. Now see, cost price of 50 kg sugar कितना था? 1000. See how much it was? 1750 rupees, right? So 1750 rupees minus 1600 rupees or 1600 rupees. So after subtraction I get to know that 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 6 1, 1 minus 1 0. So 150. Therefore the shopkeeper got rupees 150 less than he had spent, right?